Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with your ideal relationship. And the Ace of Wands came through, so what the message that's coming through is all about passion and creativity, right? What brings you passion in a relationship? That's what I want you to get clear on, and be creative with that. Like, what are the things that ignite passion between you and your ideal relationship, your ideal partner? And write them all down and get really clear on, if you had your ideal relationship, what in the relationship would bring you passion, fiery, creative, chemistry, connected energy. And let me know in the comments if you can. And yeah, so that's a little message for today. That's how to come into alignment with your ideal relationship. You know, really connect with passion. What brings you passion in a relationship? Alrighty, if you've liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up so I know you've liked it and I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.